In today's tutorial, we are going to create a cute makeup look. If you're interested, then keep on watching. I've already done my skincare, so I'll directly jump to my next step, and that would be application of a primer. And for my primer, I'm taking LA Girl Pro Prep HD High Definition Smoothing Face Primer. I'll apply it all over my face. This is to create a smooth canvas before I can proceed with next phase of my makeup application. For my foundation, I'm going to mix my two of the favorite foundation. That would be Maybelline Fit Me Matte Plus Poreless Foundation with my e.l.f. Hello Glow Foundation, so as to get a natural glow on my face. You will just see. I am mixing the two and I'll apply it on my face using a makeup sponge. Can you see a healthy glow on my face? That's why I've mixed my regular foundation with this e.l.f. Hello Glow Foundation. I'll also apply the leftover foundation on my neck. Now I'm taking this concealer from Maybelline Fit Me range. Apply this concealer underneath my eyes. Also near my mouth area. And wherever I see some kind of pigmentation. With the help of a beauty blender, I'll blend this out. I'll also apply the leftover on my eyelid. Next, to fill in my eyebrows, I'm taking this eyebrow pencil from Etude brand. For my blush, I'll go with this Cream and Tint by Swiss Beauty. So taking the generous amount of this product, and I'll take it on the back of my hand, and then again I'll take my beauty blender, and with the help of my beauty blender I'll apply it on my cheeks. Wow, this is a very beautiful flush of pink color. For contouring, I'm going in with this Nykaa foundation stick, and this is in the shade 07. Let me blend my contour and then I'll be back. To highlight my face, I'll be taking one shade lighter concealer, and this one is from Forever 52. For this product, a little goes a lot, so just dot would suffice. With the help of a concealer brush, I'll just blend this out. You can even use a beauty sponge to blend this. Now you can see I'm blending my concealer to the highest point of my brow. For my translucent powder, I'm taking this one from K Beauty. I'll first apply it underneath my eyes to set my concealer, and then whatever would be left on my brush, I'll just apply it on my face. Also, I'll leave the details of all the products that I've used in this tutorial in my description box below, so you can check all the details. Let's do the lips, and then in the last I'll do my eyes. So first, to fill my lips, I'm taking this lip liner. This one is from K Beauty. First, just defining the shape of my lips. Then for my lip shade, I'm going in with Maybelline Super Stay Matte Ink in the shade Lover. Now this is a very gorgeous mauvish pink nude lip shade. Wait for a few seconds for this lip shade to get dry. Then I'll top this up with a gloss. This one is from Maybelline, and the name of this product is Lifter Gloss, and it has hyaluronic acid in it. So that's amazing, and it is in the shade 003 Moon. Applied this just on the center of my lips. I'm taking Swiss Beauty Baked Blush and Highlighter. From the palette, I'm taking this pinkish silverish tone highlighter, and I'm taking it on my pencil brush. I'll tap off any extra product, and then I'll apply it in the inner corner of my eyes and also on the brow bone area. Taking a coat pencil, this one is from Sugar brand. I'll just apply it on the outer corner of my eyes. Just the outer 1/3. Then with the help of a thin brush, I'll just soften these edges. For my mascara, I'm taking this Maybelline Hyper Curl Mascara, and I'll apply generous coats of this mascara on my lashes. You see how voluminous my eyelashes are looking? For my last step, I'm taking a makeup spray, and this one is from MAC Fix Plus in the shade Gold Light. This is my final look. Let me know how you like it in the comment section below, and I'll see you soon in my next video. Till then, bye!